Hi and welcome to a new video. Do you want to customize the app icons on your home screen to give it a more aesthetic look? In this video, I will show you how you can change your app icons on iOS 16. Let's go. To customize your iPhone's app icons, you will first need the Shortcuts app. Open the app and tap on the plus button at the upper right corner of the screen. You can either click on the Add Action button to search for a specific action, in this case, Open App, or you can simply tap on the Open App from the choices below. Next, click on the highlighted App button inside the provided field and search for the particular app you want to customize. For this example, I will choose the Photos app. After selection, click on the eye icon located at the bottom and choose Add to Home Screen. You will then be redirected to another page wherein a customization field is provided to allow you to edit the app's icon and its name as well. To customize the icon of the selected app, simply click on the button beside the provided text field. You can either take an image on the spot or you can just select a photo from your gallery if you have already saved one prior to creating the shortcut. Now that you have changed the icon, you can also edit the app's home screen name if you'd prefer. After setting everything up, click on Add to save your customized shortcut. As you can see, I now have a customized Photos app icon. Since this is only a shortcut, it is just a duplicate of the Photos app. If you don't want the app to be doubled, you can just remove the original from your home screen. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.